Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho WorkDrive, a powerful cloud storage and collaboration tool that helps teams organize, share, and manage files efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload files, share folders, and collaborate in real time. So let's get started. First, of course, you may want to head over to workdrive.zoho.com and log in with your Zoho account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where all your team folders, my folders, and shared with me files appear. Think of team folders as shared spaces for your group projects and my folders as your private storage. To collaborate, in the left panel, click on Team Folders, then click on the Create Team Folder button. Give it a name. For example, it could be Marketing Projects or My Team, and invite your teammates using their email addresses. But first is you can select Team Folder type if you want to set it to public or private, then click on the Create button. Next, just add in their email address to invite your teammates. You can also assign roles like admin, organizer, editor, commenter, and viewer, depending on their access needs. Once it's created, everything you add inside will be visible to your team automatically. Now let's try uploading a file. You can drag and drop documents, images, or videos right into the folder, or you can click on a specific folder, click the upload button, and you have an option to upload files, upload folder, or import from cloud. Create subfolders to keep things neat. So to do that, click on the create button on the specific folder, then add a new folder. Give your new subfolder a name. It could be designs, reports, and presentations to keep things neat. Zoho WorkDrive also lets you preview files without downloading them. Super handy for quick reviews. Now here's a fun part. Collaboration. Open a file, just click or tick the box beside the file, then click on the three dot icon, then scroll down, click on More Options, then click on Add Comment. And from here, you can leave notes and feedback. You can also tag your teammates using the @ symbol, then mentions, so they're notified instantly. If you're using Zoho Writer, Sheet, or Show, you can edit together in real time. No need to email multiple versions back and forth. Zoho WorkDrive also lets you share files securely. To share files outside your team, click on the specific file, then click on the Share button. You can copy a link and set permissions like View Only or Edit. Then click on Save. You can even add passwords or expiry dates for extra security. This makes it perfect for sharing proposals, reports, or client files safely. And finally, you can download the WorkDrive desktop app to sync your files offline, or use the mobile app to access everything on the go. Just head over to zoho.com/workdrive, then click on Get Apps. Now choose what you want to download. You can download the desktop app and mobile apps through these links. Any changes you make sync automatically to the cloud. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!